Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, that's a wavy bagel.
Okay, Bookie, so I get a lot of questions about how I actually use the Wavy Talk Airflow Styler, and I'm about to show you how I get my hair from this to this. So, I section my hair off, pretty good, decent section, and I pin the hair out of my way. I comb through, and I take about an inch width of hair, and I like to curl away from my face, so I put the hair in, go down, get a little bit of heat, and then I start flipping the hair over closer to the opening of the barrel, and I go down, flip again, pull down, flip again, pull down the hair, turn it with my wrist, just like that. Then I rotate it all the way up and hold for like 10 to 15 seconds. Not too long, not too short, because you want the hair to be able to curl. You know, unravel it some. And just let the curl dry. Section. Then after like I flip a couple of times, that's when I would just rotate with my wrist until the ends are inside the curler, and I roll up. So you can make it as tight or as loose as you want it. Flip, pull, rotate. Flip, pull, rotate. Flip, rotate, and you pull all the way to the end.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit it, cause you know I like it. Breaking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, but show me your outside, but know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no waiting but some maybes. Don't be better than that shit like you're lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you're scared. Baby, ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it.